This video is to address task number 10 in week number 5. In task number 10, it asks, do lines A and B intersect? And if so, explain why, and if not, explain why not. This is a very interesting problem. It basically asks us to take line A from task number 6 and line B from task number 8 and apply both at the same time. One thing that could have been seen just in the tasks itself is that they're both sharing one of the planes in both tasks, and that plane is the y equals x plane, and that is going to be the main reason why they are going to have an intersection, is because they are sharing that property of that plane y equals x with each other. So if we look closely at the graph, and I'm going to do some rotations here, we can see, so what I have here is coming out of the orange plane right here is this, and it's hard to tell on the screen, but it is a green line, and that green line is representing line A. So we have line A right here, and then line B is coming in this blue line, and that blue line B, if we drag all the way down and view, they are going to be intersecting right at that point where my cursor is pointing to. And if we look at that point and we kind of spin it around a little bit closer and zoom in, that point right there, that point right there, let me get this focused real quick. Is the point B. And I'm trying to get it so you guys can see that label, point B. And if we go to our table, point B, so this is all my algebraic representations. Point B, notice how B is the intersect between the two scenarios occurring, and that intersecting point is -1, -1, -1. If we were to enter the value of -1 into every plane that is occurring in this problem, we would be able to get a -1 for every value. So for every x, it would be -1. For every x that's -1, a y would be -1, and for every z that is -1, the same thing will occur. So again, the answer to this task number 10 is that yes, these planes are going to intersect with each other, and those lines A and B also intersect with each other, and therefore they are creating that intersecting point -1, -1, -1, and that is the x value, y value, and z value coordinates.